Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking in on oil, starting with the hourly time frame. So a bearish break of the higher low pattern. We had some higher lows here at 52.54 and 52.57. Breaking that level definitely gave some momentum to the bears. We saw a bounce attempt, but it didn't really amount to much. And here we are back down testing the lows. The lowest price we hit on this dump was down at 52.39. So zooming out, I've drawn some trend lines here with their clear downtrend. It's a pretty steep downtrend resistance line. And we got an uptrend support line here where we're hitting support off of 52.20 and then this little higher low at 52.39. If we break this uptrend support line, we're looking down at 52.11 and then this gap to fill. So a break of this trend line, and we can assume that the bears are going to be heading towards this gap fill, which obviously is a bad signal for the bulls. So the bulls want to break this downtrend resistance line and ideally head back to 53.43 to try to break this lower high pattern. Hasn't been really clear direction on oil the past few days. We had a bull break and then a big bear day and now some bearish continuation. So it's been some choppy action over the past, I'd say the past 5-6 trading days. No clear direction, so not really friendly for trading unless you're short-term day trading. But looking at USO on the daily time frame, we're in this tight range still. 50-day moving average support holding. We've got resistance up at 11.58. So the range I'm watching is 11.23 support, 11.58 resistance, and we need to see the bulls show back up, get over that middle Bollinger Band, and see a bullish MACD cross to try and get some continuation. The weekly time frame still holding that middle Bollinger Band. Longer term trend still intact as long as that middle Bollinger Band holds. That's down at 11.08. So the bulls still look fine. We can see where we are coming from back in August. Still maintaining higher lows by a long shot. We would have to fall all the way back down and break 956 to break this little uptrend that we have been in. So the weekly chart still looks fine for the bulls. It's just this short-term, really tight action. And with the inventory report Wednesday, perhaps that's going to be a catalyst that we're looking for to give us a clear break and clear direction. But as of right now, when I see this choppy back and forth action, it's when I find something else to trade until we get some clear direction and some conviction by either the bulls or the bears. So that's what we're looking at heading into tomorrow. Key support on the hourly time frame and key resistance as well, as I am watching this tightening range, and we are closer to a bear break than we are to a bull break. So I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.